You may have heard that Roaring Kitty took up a $190 million position in GameStop stock, and GameStop currently up 32% roughly in this session of today, the 3rd of June 2024. AMC quite spiked in sympathy as well. I think it gained around, let's see, AMC, let's see what it gained, up 13.93%. Yeah, so going by all of this, we also observed that GameStop printed a high of around $47.5. But in any case, the probability that this current bullish trend it is in right now, the trend that is behind this 32% gain, the probability that this trend will persist is just right around 0.3%. The probability that it will not persist is 99.6%. So in the very short term, this trend may not continue, but I could be wrong as well. It could be 0.3% holds a lot within it, But going back to the high of around $47 that it printed in this session, we've also observed that that equally looks like the rejection it got at right around the 14th of May, which is right around $48.88. So the probability that this high will be printed again is 2.96%. The probability that this high of $47.5 will be printed again is $2.96. This is based largely on its daily chart, based on previous data. The probability that it will get to $47.5 again is 2.96%. And once again, 2.96% holds a huge amount of certainty within it. So the probability that it will not get there is 97.03%. So as things stand right now, it's trading all above all of its upper projections. On its 1 minute chart, we may find upper projections. Let's see what we have. Yes, it has this projection of 31.44. This sort of things, this sort of prices it has already printed not very long ago. Let's have a look at its 10-minute chart and see what we have. Okay, we have upper projections all the way towards 43.86%, 43.86, and just like the projection of 47.5%, I can comfortably say that the probability that it will get to this sort of level on the daily chart is not very high. But on this 10-minute chart, I can't exactly say. I haven't computed it, but it was trading at such a level in not very long ago. And let's see, we can have a look at its just estimate a few things. We can just even try and see what we can get from this. So we have a 10-day moving average of 10 period moving average of 40.49, and we have another one of let's see, 43.79 is the projection we have, 43.79, and we also have another moving average of 22.88, and its standard deviation is 0.0507, and for 40.49, let's see what we have. 40.49, okay, 40.19 standard. The 10 period the standard deviation is 1.13. Okay, 40.19. Okay, so we can just take these two readings and see what we can determine, and also we're going to take we're also going to make use of the current moving average on this current 10 period moving average. Okay, we're going to use that as well. We have its current moving average, 10 period moving average is at 30.77, and we have standard deviation of 0.5566. So we can just quickly have a look and see what the projection, the probability that it will get to this 43.79. Just bear with me while I bore you with all of these computations. 40.19 plus 22.88 plus 30.77. We have 93.84 divided by 3. We have an average price of 31.28. So already we have a projection of 43.79, and then we're having an average 10-period moving average of 31.28. So the probability that it will get there, not very high. So yeah, not very high, statistically not very high, but whatever it is, whatever it is, it's still that there's still something out there. There will still be something out there. There will still be whatever it is. The probability, even though it might be really low, but it can still happen. It can still happen. It's something that it has already done so in this session. So let's just quickly move on to AMC. Okay, AMC. Let's have a look now and see what it is currently trading at right now. AMC is currently has the gain is now 14.2%, currently trading at 4.95%, and we also observe that on its daily chart here. Let's have a look at its daily chart. We have on this daily chart, the most upper projection it has here is $13.64. So the probability that it will get there is a lot better. The probability that it will get there is 81.44%. The probability that it will not get there is 18.56%. And then we have the next upper projection, which is we have it at 11.89. So the probability that it will get there is 87.97%. And the probability that it will not get there is 12.03%. All of these are because these projections are not as ambitious as what we have. They're not very ambitious upper projections, and we also referencing past data that also holds very high moving averages, very high moving averages. This way we're referencing highly volatile prices and moving averages. As such, the projection is such that AMC can rebound to those sort of levels, and also because that the stock has depressed. It's trading at a discount to such levels, and trading at a discount to such levels. Moving averages and prices, yes, trading at a discount to them, and even the standard deviations were equally very high as well. So AMC, looking much more like a promising play. 81.44% that it can get to 13.64%, and it's 7.97% that it can get to 11.89%. So just have a look and see what you make of all of these, and I'll definitely continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.